Hi friends, in this tutorial I will show you how you can automatically backup your Windows folder into a OneDrive account online. It's a very easy step and it's a good measure to prevent your computer from any kind of security breach, or if you want to access your folder by going somewhere else or at some other place. So before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and I'll show you how we can do that. If you open this PC in C drive in choose user folder, and in user the name of your user, like in my end username is BANGER, so this is my default user folder. If I'll go ahead and open it, over here you will find a OneDrive folder. Whatever you provide data over in this folder will be automatically synced. So how you gonna do that? For that, click on the start menu and type here CMD. Open the run command. In run command, you simply need to paste a link or a script. This is the script that you need to paste in run command. I'll provide you the script over here in the description below so that you can easily copy. You need to simply paste the script over here, and here in the folder name delete it, and in folder name you need to provide the name of the folder that you like to automatically sync. For example, at my end I want to automatically sync my folder with the name F, so I'll give here the name F, and next to it the full path of source folder. Here you need to provide the path of the folder. My folder is F, so how do we get the path? By right click on it and click on the properties button, and in the location tab you will find the path. Simply copy this path and paste over here and hit the enter button. You can see it is saying junction created for this particular folder in OneDrive folder. Now let's go and check. I have opened my computer, C drive. In C drive again user folder and my default user folder. In default user folder I'll open OneDrive folder, and over here you will find a folder with the name F. So whatever I paste in this folder will automatically sync over the OneDrive online without any worrying. And suppose if you do not want to sync this folder, simply open the folder. This is the path, the folder name is F. Simply go ahead and delete this folder, and that's it. By doing this, automatically sync will stop and your computer or your folder is no longer synced with OneDrive online. This is the simplest and easiest way to sync your any folder, any Windows folder automatically over to your OneDrive. That's it about it, friends. If you like this tutorial, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and share my channel with your friends also. Thank you for watching.